Amla and Shikakai together in a hair mask. What else our hair need? So today I will be reviewing this Good Vibes Amla and Shikakai strengthening hair mask. I have used this and now today I am going to review this hair mask with Amla and Shikakai together, like for the strengthening of our hair, to reduce hair fall, everything. So let's see whether it fulfills all that sort of things or not. So at first, talking about the brand of this hair mask, it is Good Vibes. Good Vibes is a cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free brand. A brand that makes all their product with natural ingredients. So this is how the tub looks. You can see. These do not have any outer cover with it, only the tub is provided. A transparent tub, you can see a transparent tub with a golden lid on it. So this is indeed a travel-friendly tub. The quantity of this is 200 gram for rupees 499. However, you will get discount obviously. I have bought this from purple.com. I think this is also available in many other websites like Nykaa and all. So you can buy from anywhere you like. I have bought this from purple.com and I have got discount of rupees 50 on this product. And there are also many other hair masks from Good Vibes. Also, you can look forward to them to buy any of them. Let me tell you about this hair mask. Like, I have used this hair mask and let me tell you what I felt. You can see my hair. This is how the condition of my hair is after using this hair mask. I will be uploading clips in which I have applied this hair mask, as well as a picture showing before and after effects of this hair mask. So talking about this, let me talk about I have been telling you all Amla and Shikakai. So let me just take plants in the ingredient list. So all the ingredients are provided at the bottom of it, and everything about it, how to use these, be careful of, and everything, manufacturing address and all is written over here. Amla and Shikakai is printed over here, and let's take a glance of the ingredient list. So the first ingredient of this hair mask, that is one of the main key ingredient of this hair mask, is Amla. What does Amla do to our hair? We have heard from several years, like from generation to generation, we have been using Amla hair oils and all. So what does Amla do to our hair? Amla have antioxidant properties in it. It too helps in maintaining the blood circulation. It too provides healthy and shiny hair. It also increases the hair volume and also gives strength to our hair. Now talking about the second main ingredient of this hair mask, that is Shikakai. Shikakai is very much rich in vitamin C. It too gives healthy hair, healthy growing hair. It too prevents premature graying of hair, like those who have the problem of premature graying of hair. So Shikakai is the ingredient that will stop premature graying of hair. It also have antioxidant properties in it, and this will these two ingredients will do wonder to our hair. Now talking about the other ingredient, that this also have our aloe vera. As we know, aloe vera is a very good ingredient for maintaining the moisture balance on our hair as well as on our skin. So the next ingredient, another ingredient is to have coconut oil in this. Coconut oil provides a good shiny and strong hair, and this also have Brahmi in it. Brahmi indeed reduces hair fall. From ages, our grandmothers have been using coconut oil, Brahmi, Shikakai, Amla together like a mask. Like they have mixed all of them, they have taken out the juice of them and they have applied on their hair for a good hair. And all the ingredients are in this one hair mask. You're getting all those ingredients in one hair mask. And also this have apple cider vinegar as well as many fruit extracts in it, which is really a great point of this hair mask. Like you are getting so many good ingredients for your hair. Now let me show you how to apply this hair mask. can see in that clip, I have applied the hair mask and I have shown you how to apply this. That is, you have to just divide your hair into parts and then you have to just apply it from the roots to the lens. So that's all about this. And then you have to keep it for 1 hour and then you have to just wash it with shampoo. And they have recommended to wash it with Good Vibes Amla and Shikakai shampoo, but I haven't used that shampoo. I have used my regular shampoo. So after washing my hair off, I have clicked a picture in which I have shown you the before and after effects of the mask. So let's see the picture out. So in that picture I have shown you the before and after results of this hair mask. Although I think in that picture it is not clear, like smooth thing or whatever this hair mask do to our hair, it is not clear in that picture, but let me tell you, it do makes the hair soft, shiny. Like if you do like this, you can see without any freeze, a freeze-free hair is all you get after this, like after applying this hair mask. And in the picture it is not clear, but if you touch your hair then you will feel the difference on your hair. The thing that I do not like much about this is that the fragrance. It do have a fragrance of amla, shikakai, coconut, everything together, like a mixture of many natural ingredients, but the fragrance is really a strong one. And you can see the texture of this. Let me show you the texture. And in the application part also you have seen the texture of this. This is how the texture is. This is very much thick and this is grey in color. And the fragrance, remember the fragrance, this do have a strong fragrance which feels quite irritating after applying this for 1 hour. And those who have sensitivity of fragrance, to them it can be a little annoying part. Otherwise this is a good hair mask, a good intact hair mask, and to some extent this is a budget friendly hair mask, and you are getting all natural ingredients and in this hair mask, and the end result is also very much good. It do gives us soft, you can see my hair is so soft. I haven't used any conditioner or something like that. I have only used shampoo to show you the natural, the real result of this. I haven't also used any serum and you can see the result of this. This is totally freeze free. And talking about the hair fall part, I cannot comment anything about the hair fall part because much like half of the product is left. And also I think by using only 1 tub you won't be able to see any changes in the hair fall part. But these do have many good ingredients in it, like shikakai, brahmi indeed reduces hair fall. Also it have aloe vera that helps to retain the moisture on your hair, and also many ingredients that have antioxidant properties in it, like vitamin is also there in these ingredients. So the overall total thing is that this do gives a good soft, shiny, smooth, freeze-free hair. What else we need? Like what else we need from a hair mask? So this is a nice buy. I would say this is a nice buy for me. I really like this hair mask a lot and hope you all will also like this hair mask a lot. Do let me know in the comment section whether you like this hair mask or not. And about the cons part, I haven't seen any cons till yet except the fragrance part. Otherwise all the thing is really a good one, and Good Vibes is also a well-known good brand. So that's all about this video, and that's all about this hair mask. I don't think we need anything else from a hair mask. Like the claim that it says strengthening hair mask, indeed it have ingredients that do strengthen our hair. So I don't think we need anything else from a hair mask. So that's all about this. Do let me know in the comment section how you feel about this hair mask, whether you are buying or not. And if you feel anything different from my views, then you can surely share that up. But my thoughts, my views, my opinion is based on what I have felt while using this product, like totally based on my experience, not yours. So your experience can be some different to my one, and your thoughts, your views, your conclusion can be different from mine. So that's all about this. Bye bye till the next video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Ta-da!